So 2015 Chevy Corvette, beautiful red, C7. I don't know, guys, should we get one for the channel? Let us know in the comments. Thinking about it. Probably be the Z06 though if we get it. Anyways, there's the converters that we took off and put high flows in their place. There's the two mufflers we took off and put pipe in their place and new tips. As you guys can see, there's a valve that goes here and here that we took off and put on the car. That's why they look shorter than each other. I just put them there for you guys to see, but there they are. Okay, so that's the mufflers, that's the cats. Back to the video. Anyways, Corvette, the high flow cats are under here. There's the primaries there, and then the secondary high flows are in there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're in there. You can see the new welds. There's one there and one there. Still got the factory X pipe, then the 3-inch pipe, and then this is where we did the muffler delete. He went to 3 other shops and they said, we can't do muffler deletes on these. And then Exhaust Addicts said, we can, just bring it in. Our boys at Exhaust Addicts hooked it up. And then we installed 2 carbon fiber Natami tips. Part numbers right here. NT3056-2. Came out really clean. They outdid themselves. The guys at Exhaust Addicts, we love their work. There it is, right there. Chevy Corvette. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. All the way from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Here's idle, guys. Go ahead. Definitely need long tube headers. Oh, yeah. That sounds good though. It's clean. Yeah, it's clean. Here's sound. Again. 109. What do you think? It's clean. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? I love it. All right. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. That beautiful Corvette. Wow. They're the only cars that look really good in red. Oh yeah. You know what it is? They're up there with the Ferraris and everything. Like with that color. I'm going behind you. Pure raw muscle, man. Love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. Let's see his drive off. Hopefully it comes out in Corvette fashion. Sounds so nice. Clean. Best modification ever. Enjoy, guys.